Bilis rin itong dalawang guardian to. Philip Manalang tsaka Hesed
At
Gabo.
dating magkakampi, magkaibigan, na matalik.
Kaya sanay na sanay, no?
Oh! Violation, nonetheless. Gortiza. Sa baseline ka lang pwede gumalaw eh.
Correct. Lifted his feet.
Vic Manuel, sidestep, short. Kamson, may 15 rebound pero turnover na naman laban sa Rizal. Vic Manuel kicks it out. An eternity of time for Bulanadi to launch that one but can't hit it. Naive lops it up. Cañete. Alley-oop play converted by the former Arellano Chief. Buhay pa ang Rizal dito, down by 10. Pangasinan can't just settle just yet.
Kaya kailangan maging intentional pa rin sila dito sa execution nila, hindi yung ubos oras lang.
Gabon though, able to get past the defense of Samboy De Leon, who was asking for help. None was given.
And I think that decision by Hesed Gabo to take it downhill is he understood that he can, speed on a foot race against Philip Manalang going downhill.
Look at how the defense of Pangasinan was able to shackle the top 3 scorers of Rizal, with the exception of Mike Cañete, Eric Camson, Alvin Alday, and Samboy De Leon. Those 3 guys, a combined 7 out of 36 from the field.
And that's how tough it's been para dito sa Rizal Centro Mall Golden Coolers. Kahit na nung simula ng game, hindi sila makakuha ng magandang rhythm. And the energy, much as they try their best to bring it, palagi silang nahihinto because of the momentum built by the heat waves. And I felt for the heat waves, ang laking bagay ng pasok ni Lervin Flores din. When they replaced all the starters, he pretty much brought the energy para dito sa heat waves.
Jory Napoles called for that technical foul, vehemently protesting that foul call. De Leon, first free throw, big miss. Had they made all 3, it would have cut it down to 9. Rizal is 14 out of 24. LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL.
Splits the free throw.
15 out of 25. 10-point lead. Still a slither of hope.
You gotta be careful if you're the heat waves. Cross it. And you gotta get past this aggressive defense of the Rizal Centro Mall Golden Coolers.
Pangasinan will slow things down. Bulanadi isolated up top against Samboy De Leon. The pass to Napoles got bumped. And he'll earn himself 2 free throws.
Number 15, Robin Ivan, is first.
Ivan call for his first foul.
Ba rin yung activity ni Jory Napoles dun sa pagkakataon na yon. You gotta credit itong Rizal for trimming this down to 10 with a minute and a half. Pero nagmintis pa yung unang free throw nito ni Jory Napoles.
Oh, 2 big misses. Oh, what a lane violation against Rizal.
Yeah, they got one more.
Mabigat yun. Hindi, maaga sumasok si Samboy. Pero mintis pa rin naman yung free throw ni Napoles.
Ball don't lie.
Cañete, this would be big, but he airballs that free, and that's been the story for Rizal. 6 out of 25 from beyond the arc.
Yun talaga yung naging challenge nila, Ken. Making shots from the outside. And not even your shooters in Alvin Alday. Who else? Mike Cañete, been pretty okay. Pero yung tulong wala masyado.
And that's gonna be the question for all of the teams vying for the championship and have a good shot of making the playoffs, much like these two teams. Because the elite teams, even if the game slows down, Coach Mike, they're able to execute and find a way. Well, in this game, as De Leon continues to miss Rizal, we saw them forced into a half-court game by Pangasinan. We did not see the usual transition game they were so good at.
Yeah, it's easy like that. When I put it down, don't play around.
And credit Coach Gerson and the rest of the Heatwaves as they tried to get this one in the half transition game they were so good at. And credit Coach Gerson and the rest of the Heatwaves as they tried to get this one home up by 10, 71-61. We have a timeout with 52.3 seconds remaining. We'll be back after this short break. Remaining games ng Rizal, matindi yung September 27 nila against Nueva Ecija, and then Bacolod, certainly no pushovers. That's not gonna be a walk in the park, so a difficult schedule to finish off their elimination round para dito sa Rizal Centro Mall Golden Coolers.
And that pretty much is very important for them, especially as you try to keep a hold of at least on the top 4 spot para kahit papaano, if you perform really good, you got a chance to get home court advantage and come deep in the playoff runs.
Naive high arcing free off. Serrano gets it back. De Leon rises up. Another 3-point attempt. Wala pa din. Vic Manuel with a massive double-double performance. Pangasinan. This is gonna be a tremendous win for them as they try to keep in step for that number 4 spot in the north. Cortiza gives it up to Gabo. Bulanadi. Niluwa. 24 seconds remaining. Samboy De Leon. Derecho. Lays it in. De Leon with 13 markers. Only 3 out of 17 from the field. That's the thing. Even though they scored points, Pangasinan really made them earn those points. Talking about Kamson, Alday, and Samboy De Leon.
The last time Rizal actually scored just 63 points in a game was in their loss against Binyan. That was a 63-66 game. And this might just be the lowest right now. They have 61.
Gabo taking free throws. Second one. Good. Teka. May malfunction pa sa scoreboard, 19.6 seconds left. Okay, we resume action here. This is done pretty much a done deal already, Coach Mike.
Yes.
What do you see from these teams moving forward as they try to lock in a spot in the playoffs?
Well, one, if you're Coach Gerson, you want to keep this really good game for them. You do understand na meron pang mga upside para dito sa Heatwaves, but this is a good start to get a little bit of momentum, and especially heading into the playoffs. You like that Alain Bolanadi has finally, done well from shooting on the outside, and Vic Manuel as well.
We have a timeout. We'll be right back. 18-9, so a game behind Batangas for that number 2 spot still. Batangas still has Mindoro on their schedule to round out their campaign. While itong Rizal nga, no? Mga kalaban pa itong Nueva Ecija, Bacolod.
So the way it looks for the moment, mukhang secure pa yung number 2 para dito sa Batangas, ano? At 19-9.
Hindi pa sigurado.
Hindi pa sigurado, but you know, with how they're standing right now.
Actually, half game behind
Correct.
ang Rizal with Batangas. And you know, we don't want games to get postponed, but it turned out to be really interesting because that Binyan Pasay game
Yeah.
and that Pangasinan Caloocan match will have huge implications in both divisions, really. With Binyan, they're still chasing for themselves, not having to go through the play-in, while on the other side, those three teams in the north, Pasay, Pangasinan and Caloocan, with Pampanga there, silang apat din, tatlong spots pinaglalabanan doon sa top 6 dahil nga sure ball na yung yung Abra, San Juan, Nueva Ecija.
Oo, and itong mga top teams na to talagang kung pwede mo lang iwasan yung play-in, yun talaga yung gagawin mo because, well, number one, more challenges and roadblocks to you as you try to win a championship this season and get the title. And you want to get the shortest path available, and that really is avoiding the play-in.
And congratulations to the Pangasinan Heatwave.